Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Journey Crossroad. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Mopper Chrome accent package included, Mopper Chrome fuel filler door, Mopper Chrome exhaust tip, Chrome body side molding, Mopper Chrome mirror covers, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, tires, P225/55R19 BSW AS Touring, STD, Quick Order Package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP light gray accent stitching, pitch black clear coat, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.